am very thankful to Sir Rafiq who has given me this chance. I am Savera, a proud member of the Croatian of Knowledge School community. As a student here, I embrace the spirit of curiosity and learning that defines our school. Engaged in different kinds of activities, I find joy in exploring new realms of knowledge. The supportive environment of a Croatian of knowledge allowed me to develop not only academically but also as a well here. Thanks for listening me.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria right now.